Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing us how to draw the back view of a fashion croquis. If you've not watched my previous video on the front view of a fashion croquis, I would link the video to this video so you can watch it, because most of the things that I'm going to be doing in this back view, I've already done them in the front view, so I'm not going to be repeating them, so kindly watch it. So what I've done here is to mark out my lines, and I labeled my paper. I labeled them the head, the jawline, shoulder, bust, waist, hip, knee, ankle, and the end point. And I've also marked my points on the lines, on the horizontal lines. Just draw it up this way. This is the heel. Then let's draw the waist. It's just the same way we drew the front croquis. The only difference here is you're not going to be adding the bust, and the neck, the shoulder is broader than that of the front croquis. We'll draw the hip. The neck is usually wider at the back. Draw a curve at the waist side like this, just to indicate that's the waist. Draw a curve here to show that that's